In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in ActiveCampaign. Creating lists is a crucial part of organizing and managing your contacts effectively, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're looking to segment your audience for more personalized communication or just aiming to keep everything orderly, this guide will cover what you need to know to get started. First, let's navigate to the foundations of our task. Begin by heading over to the left-hand side panel of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Contacts. Click on that, and it will lead you to a submenu where you should see the Lists option. This is where all the magic starts, so go ahead and select Lists. Once you're in the Lists section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Add a List. Click on this to begin the creation of your new list. It's straightforward, and once you click that button, you're ready to build your list from the ground up. Now, the first task is to name your list. Choose a name that's descriptive and relevant to the contacts you plan to group here. This will help you easily identify the list purpose among potentially many others in your account. After you've settled on a name, it's time to add a list description. This step might seem optional, but it can be quite beneficial. A well-thought-out description further clarifies the list's intended use or audience, serving as a useful guide not only for you, but also for anyone else who might access this platform in the future. Next, you'll need to select a marketing channel. ActiveCampaign offers you two main channels, email or SMS. Choose the one that aligns with the communication method you wish to use for these contacts. Selecting the correct channel ensures that your campaigns are delivered effectively. Now comes another important part. Enter the URL of your company's website. This URL is essential for linking the list to your online presence. Alongside this, you should also add a reminder message for the list. A reminder message serves as a gentle yet effective prompt for subscribers, reminding them why they opted in and what they can expect from being a part of this list. After completing these steps, simply click the Save button to finalize the creation of your list. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a list in ActiveCampaign. This well-organized structure will now allow you to group subscribers, manage contacts efficiently, and engage with your audience in a more personalized manner. And that's all you need to do. With these lists, you're well on your way to executing targeted marketing campaigns, enhancing your communication strategies, and ultimately creating more meaningful connections with your audience. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing.